Hi guys, I'm back again today. Today I'm gonna do a pesto pasta, and it's gonna be a vegetarian, very quick one, and I'm pretty sure you guys gonna love it. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna introduce the ingredients. It's cooked penne pasta. You can choose any pasta, any type of pasta you want. It's up there 250 gram of penne pasta and a handful of onion and 75 gram of parmesan cheese and pesto paste. So I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons of pesto paste. So first of all, I'm gonna heat it up, the pot up there. First thing you're gonna do, you're gonna put olive oil into it. Make sure you put the olive oil. It's because it's gonna give you a nice flavor into the pasta. So let it boil, oil heat it up a little bit, and then you're gonna add the cut onion. It's a diced onion up there. So you're gonna saute up, let it be brown. So once it will brown, I'm gonna put 2 spoons of pesto. So let it cook for a while. Make sure you break through all the lumps. And once it's come to this stage, like halfway through cook, it's gonna be 30 seconds. And you're gonna put pasta, cook pasta, and make sure it needs to be hot. So I just microwave it for 30 seconds. The reason we heating up the pasta, if you put cold pasta, the flavor's not gonna stick to the pasta. So once you put the pasta, make sure you're gonna give a good stir up. So oh my god, yeah, it's really nice smell coming up. And then you're gonna put the parmesan cheese, and you can add some little bit salt and pepper according to your taste. I just put pinch of pepper, pinch of salt. So give a good stir up. Make sure you don't melt all of the cheese because the cheese need to be show up. Oh my god, it's really nice, sticky. So this is done. So I'm gonna plate it up now. So this is the final product. So all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna taste it now. So it smells really nice. Oh, it's basil aroma coming up. It's really I love this. I love the basil. You guys can follow my videos. There is a video. It says and rocket pesto. So I use the same pesto, or you can buy it from supermarket. It's up to you guys. And it's anyway. This is gonna be the product. This is gonna be the nice dish you can have at your home. It's nice and easy, and it's vegetarian. Thanks for watching me. Thanks for watching me how to make a pesto pasta. And please do follow me, Cooking with the Brown Chef, and put a like, comment, and recommend to your friends. That would be the great help you can do to me, guys. And thanks for watching me, and I'll see you with a different video. Cheers, bye.